Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your HONOR MagicBook. This is the first thing that shows after you turn on your laptop, which you can do by pressing on the power key, which is here. And after you power it on, it'll be this, or sometimes you'll also be asked about the language. But if you have a single language version installed, then you'll be asked about the country or region first. So I'm gonna leave that one and click on yes. Now you'll be asked about your keyboard layout. So I'm gonna leave it on that one and click on yes. And you can also add another keyboard layout by clicking on add layout. I'm gonna skip that for now. And then you need to connect to a network. Unfortunately, it is mandatory to do that with Windows 11. So I'm just gonna select that one and click on connect. Then click on enter. If you have installed Windows from Rufus USB bootable tool, then you can omit that network connection. But if you just bought your laptop with Windows, then you cannot skip that. Now let's click on next, and it may check for updates. If it finds any, it'll install them automatically, so you don't need to worry about clicking on anything, because it'll just automatically go to the next step after a few minutes, or sometimes a bit longer, up to half an hour, depending on your internet connection. Now I'm gonna accept the terms, and here you can name your device. I'm gonna skip it, and then it may start checking for updates again. I hope it doesn't find any now. And now it asks you to sign in to the Microsoft account. So here you need to do that. It is also mandatory unless you've removed the requirement for Microsoft account with Rufus, of course, as I've mentioned before. So here I'm just gonna log in. If you don't have an account, you can create it here. Then enter your password. And now you can also add a fingerprint, so I'm gonna show you how to set it up. You can just click on yes, then touch the fingerprint sensor, which is on the power button. Then lift and touch again, and repeat that multiple times. Make sure to move your finger each time to scan the whole area of your fingerprint. And now we can click on next. Then you need to create a PIN for your account. If you want to include letters and symbols, you can select this option, but I'm only gonna use numbers. Then I recommend reviewing all of these things, and if you want to unselect any of those, then feel free to do this. These are not required. And now you click on accept. Then if you have any backup from your previous devices on your Microsoft account, you will see this screen. If you see it, you can either click on continue to restore the backup from the suggested backup here, or you can click on more options to select a different backup, or click on set up as new PC, which I'm gonna do. Then click on set up as new PC again. And now we'll get to the few last steps. Now it asks you to customize your experience, so you can just select the things that you do on your laptop, but I'm gonna skip it because I don't think it actually does anything besides customizing the advertisements. Now you can connect your phone to your PC with this QR code if you have an Android phone, and if you have an iPhone, you can set it up later. I'm gonna skip it. Then you can also back up your photos to the OneDrive with this QR code, but I'm also gonna skip it. Then you can transfer browsing data from your old browser, and I'm also gonna skip it. Then if you want to have the free trial of Microsoft 365 family, feel free to continue, but after the 1 month free trial, it costs $130 per year, so I'm gonna decline it. Then I'm also gonna decline the Microsoft 365 Basic, which costs $2 per month. Now I'm gonna click on next to use only the free features. And I think we're all set. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.